How do you set up default GL transaction mappings in Cetec ERP? The first step is to click Admin. Click Config Settings. Click GL Transaction Mappings. The system will list out every major transaction set possible within Cetec ERP. Every operational transaction in Cetec ERP has a set of default mappings to determine which account, in your chart of accounts, is debited and which is credited. The debit and credit entries are created in the general ledger in real time as operational transactions are processed. To the right of each transaction set in the list, you will see either an OK or a fail. If you have modified any of the Cetec ERP default accounts to match your own chart of accounts, you have likely severed the default transaction mapping and will need to address that here. Click into a transaction area. You'll see each individual debit or credit transaction and the according suggested mapping. With a drop-down menu listing every account in your chart of accounts, you can set to override the default. To choose a new account, select it here. Then click Set. To make sure that the updated GL mapping works, click back to all GL transactions. If the status indicates OK, then you are able to successfully transact with the current GL mapping. If it says failed, something has gone amiss. Now you know how to set up default GL transaction mappings in Cetec ERP.